Hello friends, today we are going to learn about chapter 5 of SEO tutorial. So let's get started. Uh, let's learn about SEO design and layout. Following are the guidelines which one should follow when designing a web page. So number one is you should have more text content than HTML elements. There should be no frames. Search engines are enemy of frames, and HTML5 has a guideline of no frames, so you can read those guidelines if you code through HTML5. No ads if possible, because most of the ads uses JavaScript, which is not advised to be used. No JavaScript. If you need JavaScript, call it from an external file rather than dumping the code in the HTML file. JavaScript drop-down menu prevents spiders from crawling beyond your homepage. If you use them, be sure to include text links at the bottom of the page. Nothing that does not fit perfectly into the page topic. There should be no doubt in the search engine's mind or in the user's mind what your page is about. No unnecessary directories. Keep your files as close to the root as possible. No fancy stuff like flash, splash, animated GIF, rollovers, etc., unless absolutely necessary. So, following are the terminologies. If you are not aware of these, here are these. Keyword frequency. It's called calculated as how often does a keyword appear in the site's title or description. So you should not repeat the keyword too many times, at a maximum of 3 to 5 times in the meta tag. Because if you repeat too many times a particular keyword, it will search engine thinks of it as a keyword stuffing and might think as a spam and will not rank it in a correct way. Keyword weight. It refers to the number of keywords appearing on your web page compared to the total number of words appearing on the same page. So what you can do is you write a small paragraph and uh, not if you write too much and there are less number of keyword, then the weight of the keyword decreases. So as far as possible write less so that the overall weight of the keyword increases. Keyword proximity is also important. It refers to the placement of keywords on a web page in relation to each other, or in some cases in relation to other keywords with a similar meaning as the queried keyword. For example, for search engine that grade a keyword match by keyword proximity, the connected phrase phone repair will outrank a citation that mentions phone screen repair, assuming that you are searching only for the phrase phone repair. So I hope you got the idea of keyword proximity. So let's think about another term, keyword prominence. It is a measure of how early or high up on a page the keywords are found. Having keyword in the first heading or in the first paragraph, first 20 words or so on a page are best. So keep in mind about keyword prominence. It should come up on the page, not on the last line or something. So the higher it is, the more better. Keyword prominence will be better. Keyword placement. Where your keywords are placed on a page is very important. For example, in most engines, placing the keyword in the title of the page or in the heading tags will give it more relevancy. On some engines, placing keyword in the link text, the part that is underlined on the screen in a browser, can add more relevancy to those words. So keyword placement is another important thing. Best places of keywords are following: in the title tag, in the meta name description, in the meta name keyword, in H1 headline tags, in href, and then keyword, keyword with a link, keyword in body copy, keyword in alt tag, keyword in insert comment, comment tag, keyword contained in URL site or site address. So these are very important to keep in mind when you write the web page. Finding keywords. Now it's very important to know which keywords you should use, which will help in search engine optimization. So here are the following guidelines. Words people would search for to find your product or service. Just try to find out, just think about or brainstorm on what people would Google search or Bing search to find your product or service. Problems your prospective customer may be trying to solve with your product or service. Keyword tags on competitors' website. You can go on competitors' website and just try to find what keyword they are using. There are many websites, SEO, MOZ, and other websites who can tell you the what competitor your competitor websites are using as their keyword, and where and all they are using in what blogs. So you can go and find out. Visible page copy on competitors' website. Related search suggestion on top search engines. Yeah, you can look at the related search suggestion which Google gives on the Google web page when you try to Google search something. Or you can also use the Google tool, Google keyword tool. You can go online and there is a Google AdWord thing, and you can research your keyword from there also. By analyzing your website carefully and finding out proper keyword. This task can be done by expert SEO copywriters. Pay attention to stemming for your keyword, particularly to what the root word is and what Google considers to be a match for that word when optimizing page over time. You can do brainstorming to identify correct keyword in your site. What is word stemming? Google uses word stemming as word stemming allows all forms of words, singular, plural, verb form, as well as similar words to be returned for a given query or search. For example, if someone types auto service, Google will not only search for auto service keyword, but it will also search for auto servicing. So any kind of anything which is singular, plural, or auto services, anything the verb form of it will just try to find all the related keywords. So keep that in mind. So don't repeat the same kind of keyword um, in your page design. So guys, I think this tutorial has helped in designing your website. And if you want to learn more about SEO and other geek topics, come back to my channel, follow my channel for more on SEO. Thank you very much for watching.